Welcome back to the channel. Spring is fully blooming this April, which makes it the absolute perfect time to step outside and start reimagining our outdoor living spaces. Today, we are diving deep into modern backyard landscaping, specifically focusing on the incredible visual power of circular garden design. Valechka and I were recently looking at how rigid, straight lines can sometimes make a backyard feel stiff and purely functional. But when you introduce circular geometry into your layout, everything changes. A circular design philosophy naturally softens the hard edges of modern architecture, creating a sense of continuous flow and tranquil movement. In this tour, we will explore how combining a central circular garden bed with contemporary house facades, warm wood accents, and lush, deliberate plantings can completely elevate the atmosphere of your home. The foundation of this aesthetic is the circular pathway. This is the artery of your garden, guiding the eye and the footstep in a graceful, continuous loop. A neatly paved circular path completely eliminates the abrupt stops and sharp corners found in traditional square layouts. The choice of hardscaping material here is crucial to setting the tone. Seamless poured concrete offers a sleek, minimalist vibe, while natural flagstone or carefully laid brick can introduce an earthier, more organic texture. A massive benefit of the circular pathway is its functionality. For instance, it provides a clear, unobstructed track around the central focal point, leaving a safe and open circuit for the dog to patrol the yard without trampling your delicate garden beds. The pathway acts as a beautiful frame, drawing all the attention inward to the garden's core. Inside that circular pathway lies the heart of the design, the pebble-filled garden bed. Moving away from traditional dark mulch, a bed of pebbles, whether crisp white marble, dark river stones, or crushed slate, provides a highly textured, clean, and incredibly modern aesthetic. Bordering this inner circle with smooth gray stones provides a crisp visual boundary that separates the garden bed from the pathway. The beauty of the pebble bed is that it acts as a neutral canvas. When you place large, rounded landscape rocks inside this space, they become sculptural elements. The pebbles also provide excellent drainage and suppress weeds, making this a brilliantly low-maintenance centerpiece that looks meticulously groomed year-round. With our geometric foundation established, we bring the space to life through softscaping. In modern landscaping, we aren't aiming for a chaotic jungle. We want highly curated architectural greens. Inside the circular bed, interspersing ornamental grasses with small flowering plants creates dynamic movement and texture against the static rocks. But we must also consider the vertical space. Placing a tall, slender tree with delicate green leaves to one side adds necessary height without blocking the light. In the background, utilizing two tall, conical evergreen shrubs against the wall introduces strong vertical columns. These conical shrubs act almost like natural pillars, framing the architecture of the house and drawing the eye upward, reinforcing the modern, structured feel of the yard. A modern garden must exist in harmony with the home it surrounds. The architecture of the house serves as the ultimate backdrop for your landscaping. This design thrives on a sophisticated blend of exterior textures. Imagine a house exterior that combines smooth beige stucco with the rugged, earthy feel of textured stone cladding. This contrast between smooth and rough is incredibly pleasing. We continue this textural blending by adding a warm, natural element such as a wooden slatted fence, which softens the heavy masonry. A large, dark brown wooden door with a sleek, modern design, flanked by a glass window, bridges the gap between the natural wood tones of the fence and the contemporary house. Finally, adding a small rectangular stone planter overflowing with lush greenery right by the door ties the garden directly into the architecture. The final invisible element that ties this entire modern backyard together is the lighting. The way light interacts with the textures of the stone, wood, and foliage dictates the mood of the entire space. When a scene is bathed in soft, natural daylight, the vibrant greens of the ornamental grasses and the earthy tones of the pebbles and stone cladding are beautifully highlighted. The metal railing with horizontal bars above the door will cast sharp, geometric shadows that move across the stucco as the day progresses. This careful balance of modern, elegant architecture, structured circular geometry, and soft, natural elements creates a backyard that is not just a patch of land, but a deeply serene, contemporary retreat. Thank you for joining me on this design tour, and I'll see you in the next video.